Making a tea with herbs is simple. It's actually an infusion or decoction made by steeping the herb in hot water. An infusion is using the leaves or flowers, and a decoction is using the stems or roots of an herb. Today I am going to make basil tea. I'm actually using Holy Basil, or also known as Tulsi Basil. Tulsi Basil is wonderful to fight off viral infections, to boost the immune system, and for anxiety and depression. The Tulsi Basil actually came from the herbs we started growing in our hydroponic system. I'm also growing sweet Italian basil. Sweet Italian basil is great medicinally to help control blood sugar levels. I have a French press. However, you don't necessarily need one to make an herbal tea. You can always just put herbs into a mug, pour hot water over it, and cover it with a lid or plate or whatever you have. Covering it helps keep all the medicinal benefits from evaporating. Whether you are using a mug or a French press, you should allow the herbs to infuse into the water, also known as steeping, for between 10 minutes and 2 hours. Using a French press just makes straining the herb easier. I begin by putting a handful of herbs into the bottom of the French press. Then I pour hot water over the top. I place the top onto the French press, but do not push down to make the herbs go to the bottom. After it has steeped between 10 minutes and 2 hours, I push down on the top to push all the herbs to the bottom. If you are using a mug, simply remove the lid or plate on the mug and strain the herbs out using a strainer. Add the sweetener of your choice. I prefer my homegrown stevia extract or honey. Stir it up and you have a delicious cup of medicinal herbal tea. I hope you try making a tea with different herbs. Your palate may love it while you are drinking your medicine. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.